Look at this candle. See those thin lines sticking out above and below? Most beginners completely ignore them. Big mistake, because those lines, called wicks, are often the most important part of the entire candle. They tell you something the body never can, where price tried to go and got rejected. Let's make this simple. Imagine you're at an auction. Someone bids $100 for an item, then $120, then $150. But at $150, nobody wants to pay that price. The bid gets rejected. Price falls back down. That spike up, that rejected bid, that's exactly what a top wick shows you. Price tried to go higher. The market said no and pushed it back down. Same thing happens on the bottom. Price tries to fall lower. Sellers push it down hard, but buyers step in and defend that level. Price gets pushed back up. That long bottom wick, that's buyers rejecting lower prices. That's strength hiding at the bottom of a candle. Now here's why this matters in real trading. See this candle? Long top wick, small body, price closed near the bottom. Translation? Buyers tried to push price up. Sellers were waiting at that level and crushed them. That's a warning sign. It tells us sellers rejected higher prices, which can increase the probability of a move lower, but it's never a guarantee. Now look at this. Long bottom wick, small body, price closed near the top. Sellers tried to push price down. Buyers stepped in and defended hard. That's a potential bullish rejection. If other factors support it, price may move higher. And this is where most beginners stop. They see a wick and immediately make a decision. Professionals don't. A wick is a clue, not a signal. Professionals wait for confirmation. One candle starts the conversation. The next candle often finishes it. And here's something even more important. A wick becomes much more meaningful when it appears near support, resistance, or trend lines. Context is everything. A wick in the middle of nowhere? Interesting, but not enough. A wick at a key level? Now professionals are paying serious attention. Here's the professional rule. Long top wick, sellers rejected higher prices. Long bottom wick, buyers rejected lower prices. Little or no wick, one side stayed in control for most of that candle. Here's something most beginners never notice. See how multiple candles have long wicks at the exact same level? Price keeps trying to break through and keeps getting rejected. That level is telling you something important. There are strong buyers or sellers sitting right there. And when price approaches that level again, professionals are ready. Beginners don't even see it. You now understand 4 things about every candle: color, direction, size, and wicks. That's the complete picture of what a single candle is telling you. But individual candles are just the beginning, because next, we zoom out and look at what happens when candles form patterns together. Patterns traders have studied for more than 300 years and still use today. That's the next video, and it's where everything starts coming together.